Welcome everyone on my trade journal, where I speak about that trade, what I did, and in this trade I want to share to you interesting trade and explain some deep analysis on EURUSD and how was better traded. Okay, what we had. First of all, what we had the ranges. Market has two types of market for us. It's trend up to down or ranges. And when we in the range, better trade, we started by the range. But on the range, on this 1 hour time frame, we have range, but on less time frame, on 5-minute time frame, for example, we have the trend. This is simple trend what we had here, and we have on the range on 1 hour time frame we have range, and if we analyze this range, what we have this provocation to short what should be somewhere on top of this range, and very interesting. The target for movement and for our waiting when price can be is top of this range, and that's why all this here I believe to short, actually, because more probably they could go more below, but when price started to top, I all the time on my every morning market review told about long and told about find point for long and target 1.12. This is futures, but on forex it's a little bit different prices, but pictures is the same. And here what we have this provocation what should be somewhere here. I was waited it, and that's why all the time I tried open long here. I tried locally find the short here, but it was mistaken. It was not good idea. If you trade just 1 hour time frame, now we will go more deeper to 5-minute time frame, and I explain how I connected to this moment. But if you trade 1 hour time frame, and when you see the range and you know that they should go there, as I knew, and here was the best point for open long with this stop, and also I told about it. But if you want to open with more or less stop loss and with more bigger risk reward, because here is for 1 hour time frame it's normal risk reward also, but on 5-minute time frame what I did, they did more interesting trade. Okay, what we have uptrend. For 5-minute time frame we have strong long balance movement, and we don't need to think about any short. And here was point for long, but on 5-minute time frame we could put stop or here, our stop loss. But I open long here. I did this signal for long on my trade room, but I'm not sure that I'll find it now. I should find it a little bit early. 1 second. Look like here I sent this signal for long, but it was a little bit not clear because usually I put limit and where I put stop, but here it was here. Let's say zoom it. On 5-minute time frame I found it point for long. I also tried open long here, but they didn't do any movement. I waited here, I waited more below, but when price didn't want to go more below, price start to protect all provocation, and we had this provocation, this reaction. Now I'll zoom it 1 second, and here I opened my long. price did reaction, I open my long, guaranteed target, I all the time close part of position here, and last one was top of that big range, this range. But globally we have, for this time frame, we had short balance, and that's why here more safely was close part of position, not on new maximum but before the new maximum. What I did my take profit on 1.1160, somewhere here I fix. And what we had, I open long here with this stop, guaranteed target, next target, and main target. My risk reward is more better than could be on 1 hour time frame. But anyway, here when we have trend where we see one more point for connection, here was, I put here little bit below limit for take more position, and trade, just day trading deal was here also very great, as was here also. And what showed this image, this example, it showed to us the better play by local balance. If we see and we know where should be price, like here on 1 hour time frame, I weighted this price here, and if price here, I am weighted it on less time frame, I try trade just too long, because the more hard time frame will push price to make that level, destroy that level what I am weighted. And that's how should to trade on less time frame. If you trade, if you day trader, if you not so long time frame trader, or you trade 1 hour time frame, also you can trade to that target where price will make some reversal or change some sentiment. How it's look like on my order window, I open long here, guaranteed target, next target, and last one target was here. Very interesting trade. If you like it, put like. If you have some comments, you can write to me below this video. And remember, you can be more profitable, more stable trader if you use the real normal trade system and you work in good team with good traders. Have a good profit day. See you on next Trade Journal video.